Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to build a 1965 Chevy Chevelle surf wagon. Now, I'm not building it like it is on the box or any of the options there are. This is going to be what you're going to have to guess. So, okay, let's get the parts. Got the Chevelle body. Interior. Frame. We got, I guess a customization part that can go on top of it, right about for there. That's how much shorter this is. These are like frames to the ramps. Here's the ramps and wheel parts. We'll be putting the ramps together. We got the surfboards and parts for it, which this will be in another video. Don't know when I'll do it. We got the hood and the seat and wheel parts. We got 2 axles. So if the glue does not get to the axles, this car will roll. And we got 6 tires. We got 2 big tires for if you want to do this drag. We got motor parts, radiator stuff. We got manifolds that I'll be using. We'll be doing some cutting on these. And we got the steering wheel. Some bumper parts. Got the dash. We got, I think, it's like a tail light trim or something. I think like hood pieces. Not sure what that one piece is for. Got another bumper piece. We got, there's a small chrome tree for if you want to do it like the drag racing wagon. And then we got the big chrome tree. Grill stuff. We'll be using, I think, some grill some chrome parts in here. Some might be getting painted, not sure yet. We'll have to see. We got an all one-piece glass that we will not be using. We've guessed what I want to build yet. We got the directions. And then the lovely decals. Might be using maybe a few, not too many. So when we come back, we'll have everything before being painted. And then things what I'll be using and blah blah blah. You know, you see my videos, so stay tuned. Okay, build update. I put this front custom bumper on. After I get spray painted black, I'll go back over it with maybe a chrome Sharpie or hand paint it. I gotta put the radiator in. So this will be painted matte black. Got the dash and steering wheel and the battery. Now you're wondering why the battery goes there, because you'll find out here in a little bit in the video. Frame will be black. I paint the ramp frame black. Wheel rim thingies black. Firewall black. Chrome with these manifolds after we cut them. Don't know how we're going to do it yet, so that's why they're not like that. I'm going to go back and do the belt, maybe. I don't know. Might not put it in. This would be orange. And spray paint this chrome so that it doesn't get shiny. I'll be hand painting all this stuff. And then these, I think we're gonna go with yellow. Or red, I don't know. We'll see. When we come back, we'll probably show you the body, and then we'll start putting together some things. So stay tuned. Okay, here's some of the things I'll be using. My matte black, chrome metallic, yellow, this is for the ramps, and orange for the motor. Gloss to go over a door. Then black to go over some things. There's a razor blade needed, a hobby knife, chrome Sharpie for some things, and my trusty pliers, and this glue. So now when we come back, we'll show you things after being painted. So okay, here's the build update. We got the motor. We did some cutting on the manifold. Yeah, probably wondering why they're like that. Well, you find out towards the end of the video. This is my last hint of what y'all gotta guess what this is. Got a number, a white door, bumper painted. Don't have the back one on yet. Got battery in, and shifter, parallel, frame, and then put the wheels on. May or may not go with these, don't know. Well, let's see. Put the back bumper on. And then you got put the two axles on, and then we got some ramps already put together and done. So when we come back, the car should be almost completely done, and then we'll see the final product. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, here's the final build update I'm going to do before the completion. If you haven't guessed it already, if you guessed correctly, yay. If you didn't guess correctly, well, I'm going to tell you. This is a Demolition derby wagon I'm making out of this. It looks pretty cool. Got the YouTube symbol right there. You'll see why at the end of the video. I'm going to do the other side too, just haven't done it yet. And it rolls. Not all that great, but it rolls. Got the hood cut out for the pipes. So it roughly set something like that. It's not on there correctly, but you get the picture. And I got the sign, it's drying. So stay tuned for the completion of the derby wagon build. Okay guys, it's finished. A 1965 Chevelle wagon derby car build. I like how it looks. Looks alright. I put Model Car Guide YouTube symbol on it. A few like sponsored things. And on the license plate, I put it's a little license plate thing that said Wagoneers Death Valley. And then on this side, see this side, the paint I couldn't do with a Sharpie, so my little car guy. On the mic, I may or may not make this my channel pic profile. So if you want me to, comment down below. I need a bunch of comments though. The hood, chrome, that's what the motor looks like. And the battery, it's inside. Because that's how it is with derby cars. To put the battery in there so that it don't get damaged as they're beating around. Same thing with the gas tank, because if the gas tank gets hit on like cars, not wagons, it could maybe explode. And that wouldn't be safe. So let's put this up on the ramps and see what it looks like. That's what it looks like. So Comment down below what do you think my next build's gonna be. If there's any builds you want me to do, I'll build them if I can find it. If you want me to do any shout outs, put in the comments shout outs, and I'll do maybe a shout out video. So please subscribe. And one more thing, the surfboards, I'll have these in a separate video, so that's probably what I'm going to work on right after I get this video done. So please subscribe for more builds.